Is your disk management window stuck or not connecting to the virtual disk service? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to fix it and get your drives working again in no time. Solution 1. Turn off real-time protection first. Right-click on the Windows Start button and click on Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security and click on Windows Security. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Manage Settings. Here, turn off real-time protection and click Yes when asked for confirmation. Next solution. Start the virtual disk service. Right-click again on the Windows Start button and click Run. Type services.msc and click OK. Now scroll down and double-click on Virtual Disk. Set the startup type to automatic. Then click on Start and finally click Apply and OK. Next solution. Allow remote volume management. Search for Control Panel and open it. Change the view by clicking Category, then select Small Icons. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. Next, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings. Then find and select Remote Volume Management and click OK. Outro. That's it. Now your disk management should connect properly to the virtual disk service. If it worked for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech fixes.